2006 Pontiac G6 GTP sedan 240 HP, 3.9-liter, V6, automatic transmission with all the right equipment. Power windows locks, tilt, cruise and to many more options to list them all. According to AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, this vehicle has had 3 previous owners and no reported accidents. This vehicle has been registered in the Northwest since it was new. So get in here today and see just how much car you really can afford at Cars Trucks and Toys. Come. At Cars Trucks and Toys, all vehicles have a clean title, go through a thorough vehicle inspection, and qualify for extended warranties. We offer in-house financing with flexible terms, so call or come on down today. Credit problems, we can help. Cash customers make us an offer. See you soon. Vehicle History Report available on every vehicle.